Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very beautiful and beginner friendly crochet sunflower. You can use it as a coaster as well. So I am using a 3.5mm crochet hook and 2 strands of 3-ply yarn. You can use a 4-ply yarn as well. First of all, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this, and then with the help of crochet hook, pull the second yarn through first one to make a magic ring. Now to start the first round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this magic ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. This is our second double crochet stitch. Wrap the yarn again, go into the magic ring, draw up a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops, double crochet 3, then make double crochet 4 into the magic ring, double crochet 5, and in this way we would make total of 18 double crochet stitches into this magic ring, including first 3 chains. So I have made 18 double crochet stitches. Now pull the starting yarn to close magic ring, make a slip stitch into the third chain, our first round is completed. Now for the second round, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, which will also be counted as a double crochet. And now make a double crochet stitch into the same chain 3 where we have made a slip stitch. Then into the next double crochet stitch after chain 3, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, then into the next double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, then into the next stitch, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So in this way make 2 double crochet stitches in each of the stitch of first round till the end. I have made all double crochet stitches. Now pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now with the help of needle we would weave this yarn end. To get a chain loop ending, first of all pull the needle through 2 loops of the first double crochet stitch, which is after chain 3, and then pull through back 2 loops of the last stitch, and now weave these 2 yarn ends. I have woven the yarn ends and make a slip knot of this yellow color yarn and join it in any of the stitch. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3, then into the same stitch make a double crochet, and we have 2 double crochet stitches now, including first 3 chains. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, then into the next stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, now we are going to skip 2 stitches here and into the third stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, into the next stitch make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, skip 2 stitches again, into the next one make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and then chain 4, into the next stitch double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Repeat this process of making shell stitches till the end. So in the end make a slip stitch into the third chain, and for the last round we are going to work in this chain 4 space. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5. Now we are going to make chain picot. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and make a single crochet in this 5th double crochet stitch on this side. This is called chain picot. Now in the same chain 4 space make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, and now we are going to make a single crochet in this space between shell stitches. So make a single crochet here. Now work in next chain 4 space for the next petal. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5. Make chain picot now, 3 chains and a single crochet in this 5th double crochet stitch. Now double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4 and then double crochet 5 in this chain 4 space and then a single crochet in this space between shell stitches. Repeat this process for every chain 4 space till the end. Now in the end make a single crochet in this space between shell stitches. This is our last stitch. Now pull the yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, remove the extra yarn strand and now weave these 2 yarn ends with the help of needle. So I have woven the yarn ends, and this beautiful crochet sunflower is ready. I hope you guys like this tutorial video. If you like it, give it big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching.